I've got a lot of camera equipment. Over the years, I've had quite a few iPhones. The new iPhone has got even better. I've just got this iPhone Pro and this case, a microfiber case. I ordered a blue one, they sent me this one. I'm not a, what is it called, cosmic orange or something. I'm not a cosmic orange kind of guy, but they sent me this. So I've got a black case. This has just come from America. I ordered it a couple of weeks ago. I've had these before for my other iPhones, but I'll just show you this. If you like photography like I do, then this makes the most of it. But I have kind of superpower. When I click the shutter, I can remember when I clicked the shutter, when I took the photograph, and exactly just about everything about the place I was. It's like going back in time. It's like having a time machine in my head. What have we got? We've got so there's the case. Let's just click that on and get that in. There's the case. Nice case, PolarPro. You can see that. Then we've got here that's it, so that extends it. I need it that way, so up like that. There's clips there, so up like that. So that's like so. So you can use it as a nice grip. You've also got here, you can put a microphone on or a light. And then this little piece of the puzzle. So that, screw that down. There we go. There we've got the shutter. So you turn it on, flashing green. We'll just have to Bluetooth it, I think. Bluetooth, connected devices, other devices, just wait. LCP, BT shutter, click. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. LCP, BT shutter, connected. Camera. There you go. Takes photographs with that shutter. Can it get any better? Well, I'm hoping so. This is it. This is what makes all the difference to your photos. PolarPro filters. That's a tight fit. So that must slide on. That's the filter on it. You take it off and then you have a polarizing filter. That's my screen, two polarizing lenses. So as you rotate them, they cut out the light that way, and you'll see my screen goes black when I turn it. That's basically taking off the reflection. Will it do it on here, I wonder? There you'll see it. You'll see how deep the color goes with a polarizing filter. So that's it. That's the PolarPro LightChaser Kit for my iPhone. If you order it, it comes from America, and yesterday I got a text saying you've got to pay £41 import duty. That's the PolarPro LightChaser Kit for an iPhone 17. And I've had them before and I can thoroughly recommend them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.